Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to optimize your Facebook ads with Zeely. So Zeely makes Facebook ads optimization easy by automating most of the technical work using its inbuilt AI. So when you create a Facebook ad through Zeely, it asks for basic input like your business type, ads goal, for example, sales, leads, and traffic. Then after that, also upload your visual assets. So from there, Zeely's AI built a customized ad with optimized copy, creative layout, and the targeting, all specifically designed to perform well on Facebook. So the real optimization power comes from the launch. Zeely automatically monitors performance in real time, tracking how people interact with your ads, clicks, impression, conversion, and more. Based on its data, it continuously fine-tunes things like audience targeting, ads placement, and delivery time to help improve your result without you lifting a finger. To boost performance further, you can test multiple versions of your ads by uploading different image or videos. Zeely will A and B test of them automatically, so then prioritize the best performing version. It also optimizes your budget spent by allocating more money to ads that you delivered the highest return. Plus, since Zeely is integrated directly with Facebook advertising network, your campaign benefit from the Facebook's own algorithm plus Zeely's layers of AI optimization, a combo that improve results without needing advanced aid language.